Here's a nice illustration of the structures of the middle and the inner ear. We have bordering the external ear, of course, is the one of my best examples of the tympanic membrane. Typically it is pretty clear. You kind of see how it's nicely attached to the malleus there. And so this is the tympanic membrane's job, is to increase sound volume. You know, it kind of transduces sound and amplifies sound. It's attached to all three of these auditory ossicles. As you can see, if I were to pull this up, you can see here's the malleus, and then the incus is attached to it. And then of course they kind of break this junction here because they wanted to show the stapes holding on and resting on top of the oval window for the inner ear structures of the bony labyrinth. Of course, you got the three different areas of the bony labyrinth. You got the cochlea here, the spiral-shaped structure. You got the ring structure called the semicircular canals, and then deep inside you have like this big. If I were to break off the rings and break off the cochlea, the shell-shaped structure, you would have the vestibule, which contains the utricle and the saccula and the macula and these cupulas and all that, saccules, all that stuff. But that's for another presentation. So just kind of a large overview to see this structure, as well as a nice illustration of the tympanic membrane. So let's review again. So this would be the tympanic membrane attached to the malleus, which is attached to the incus, which is attached to the stapes, which is resting on the oval window. You kind of see the round window way down there. Into the inner ear structures of the bony labyrinth, which has the cochlea on this side, shell-shaped structure, the vestibule, which is anything that's not the shell-shaped structure, or these rings, and then the rings, which are the semicircular canals.